I'm taking you with me to go to the supermarket so that we can buy groceries. Specifically, breakfast groceries, because I have nothing to make for breakfast and I want something quick, easy, healthy. Let's do this. So this is not a paid promotion. I'm just sharing that Food Bazaar is one of my favorite places to shop because they don't break the bank. They also have really good quality items, and I don't think that they're expensive. Now, there are some things, when I just look at the price, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna put you back. But overall, I'm happy with the quality, the quantity, the price. It's good. And you find a lot of organic things. If you think that this is way too much for fruits, then I'd love to hear your thoughts. Listen, cost of living went up. Everybody just trying to get by. But this, to me, in my honest, humble, unsolicited opinion, it works. Look at this. These onions are big, juicy, for only $1.29 a piece. I'm just cooking for myself. I don't need a bag of onions. When will I cook again after today? Maybe in 2 days? Okay, let's just stick a pin here. Did you guys hear about the egg shortage and the eggs being called back? I'm a girl that love my eggs, but today I had to put it back because who eat an egg that got something going on with it? No, 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 no. Leave that. Anyway, so it's time to make breakfast. So I am making a fruit bowl with milk, Quaker Oats, chia seeds. So you can use any milk of your choice. I'm using Clim powder milk that I mixed with some water. I'm using only just 1 cup of that milk with 1 cup of oats and chia seeds. I like my oats raw. It's a very weird obsession, but like I will open the oats container and just chug back raw oats. I don't know why. It's weird. I get it, but I like it like that. Whatever. So I'm putting half a cup of oats and half a cup of chia seeds, mix them together, put them in the milk, and let them soak. Did you know that oats is really good for you? It really helps to improve your blood sugar levels. It helps to lower your cholesterol. It improves both your heart and gut health. It even helps with weight management. Chia seeds, I think, does the same thing. It helps with heart health. It helps with digestive health. It helps with weight management, but it also helps with bone health. Did you guys know that? And blood sugar management. Yeah, I love these two together. So I'm gonna mix, 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 mix. And when I'm satisfied, I'm gonna add the other ingredients. Now, you wanna make sure that you have enough milk because chia seeds tend to swell. And when they swell, they absorb whatever liquid they're in. That's why it also helps with your gut health, because when it's in your belly, in your intestines, then it helps to absorb a lot of water. Anyway, here I'm putting in some cinnamon and some nutmegs. Both of these are really good for you because they have anti-inflammatory properties. They both help with digestive health. They both help with brain health. And did you know that nutmeg is actually antibacterial? I found that out today. But anyway, it also helps with blood pressure. It helps with your mood swings, right? Because it has, what is it? I forgot what it's called, but whatever is in nutmeg, it basically helps to boost your mood, right? Did you see that chia seed is starting to thicken? Mm-hmm. So you gotta move fast. I'm putting some essence, just a little bit. You don't want to put too much almond extract. Did I say that right? Almond extract, vanilla, or essence, as I like to call it. Because if you put too much, it'll get bitter. But I'm just mixing that all in right there. This is really, really good. It's really tasty. It doesn't take a long time. It almost looks like porridge. But after that, all I have to do is put in my raspberries. So I already washed my raspberries, but I like to put them in one at a time because I like to double check and make sure they're clean. When I buy my raspberries from the store or any fruit, I typically soak them in warm water with some salt and vinegar. And I just let them soak for a few minutes. I wash them out. And I put this one back into the container that it was packaged in just for content purposes, but whatever. So that's that. This is my fruit bowl. If it's up to you, I mean, you can like put your honey on it and just close the bowl like that. But I like a lot of fruits. Anybody that really knows me that's watching this channel, hi. You know I love fruits. So what I'm gonna do is I am not gonna stop right there. After putting this honey, I am gonna add everything up together, just mix it all well. And then I'm gonna put more fruits on top and sign out. You absolutely don't have to do this step. This is just what I like to do. I know some people are very sensory driven and so they cannot eat their food if it's all mixed up like this, but you've got to do what works for you. This is what works for me. It is so delicious, honestly. I eat this like 3 times a week, and then I substitute the milk for Greek plain yogurt, and I take out the chia seeds and I just use granola. So that's my little breakfast, quick and easy. Love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.